What up guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am about to do a mini Sephora haul slash first impressions. Basically I went to Sephora today and I bought a few things. It's like 1 a.m. right now, so right after filming I'm literally just going to take this off. This is like honestly just going to be a first impressions. With that being said, I did buy the new NARS foundation, but I'm going to make a separate full-length video dedicated to that foundation because I also wanted to do a wear test as well. But for now, it's just going to be my first impressions. I've heard great things, so hopefully I love it as much as everyone else does. This is not actually new to me. This is actually a new bottle that I bought today because I love it so much. So I am going to prime my face with this. I love this stuff. It makes my skin look so good. Okay, while that is setting, I am going to open up this bad boy. This is the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm like really excited to try this. A lot of people have been talking about it. A lot of people love it. Oh, I am in the shade Santa Fe. I've never owned a NARS foundation. This is my first one. We're gonna do 2.5 pumps because the first pump was like a baby pump. It feels kind of moussey slash gel like. Anyways, I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. Oh, it feels nice. Let's see if it will cover the party on my face. I'm blending it out with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm gonna hold this closer to me. Oh, that blended out really nice. It's radiant. Wait, is it supposed to be radiant? I don't remember. Yeah, it is supposed to be radiant. Dude, I like this. Oh my god, this looks so good. I am like not even joking with you guys. Oh my god. Okay, first impressions, like this is bomb. This is bomb. Next thing I bought is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I got the shade Light Warm. Am I missing something? Like I can't open it. Oh, there you go. Smells like paint. Ooh. I look so flawless. Wow. I'm like actually amazed right now. I don't have a new powder to try, so I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. I guess I'm gonna bake since I've got concealer on. Right under the eyes. And in your contacts, apparently. Ooh, dusty. That could not be good for you. I don't have a new brow product, so I'll just be right back with my brows. Okay, back with my brows. Wow, I look nuts. Okay, anyways. And while I'm dusting it, I'm just going to use the excess to set the rest of my face. Looks airbrushed. Wow. Your eyes feel so soft. Holy shit, I'm like tripping out. Anyways, okay. So next up, I'm going to highlight. I didn't get a new highlighter. I was planning to, but then for some reason I forgot, so that kind of sucks. So I'm just going to use my usual favorite, which is, no surprise, Champagne Pop. Like, come on, with the Morphe 510, M510. Oh my god, yes. There you go, there's the dew. Contour, taking ABH in the shade Fawn. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques sculpting brush. Whoa. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. Oh yeah. Now onto a new product. I got a new bronzer. So excited about this. Okay, this is the HOURGLASS Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. I've been wanting to buy an HOURGLASS something for a long time now, but man, their shit is expensive. But today I was like, you know what, I deserve it. I am so excited. Okay, and it just looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, subtle, I like that. What brush am I going to use this with? I'm gonna first go in with the M530, concentrating it, I guess, near the back of my face first. It's not like super dark, but it makes a difference. I'm going to take a bigger brush This is the, I don't know what this is, but it's just a very basic like powder brush. I'm just going to swirl it in there and just give my face like a fluff of warmth. I like it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy I bought this. Just because I'm feeling extra, I'm going to clean up my contour just a little bit. I'm going to take my ABH palette again with the banana shade here in the center with a E47. But you see how that just, it's like almost better than baking. It's way more precise. And then I just like blend it into the rest of my face. I'm just feeling extra at like 1:30 a.m. I'm pretty much done with the face. I'm going to set it. Nikki Tutorials taught me to fan. So I'm just going to put some eyelashes on and then I'll be right back. Forgot to like put lipstick on, so I'm going to be using Celebrity Skin by JEFFREE STAR. Love. Oh, I just put the cap on the wrong way and dented it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Life goes on. Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss. Such a good lip gloss. What up? Close up. Close up. Anyways, my skin looks so good right now that I need to show you guys close up because I can. Scooch really close to the camera. Don't mind me. This is like overexposed. Give me a sec. It looks flawless. I'm just as blown away as you are. So okay, quick overview. I loved every single fucking product. The foundation looked really good. It blended out so nicely. Like, oh, I love it right now. Like, I can't wait to do a wear test on it to see how it wears through the day. But right now, for the first half an hour, it's looking pretty good. This looks damn smooth under my eyes, so I really like this. It blended out seamlessly as well. The Hourglass bronzer, I really like it. Like, oh, I feel so, like, so pretty right now. Yeah, I loved all three of these products. So that concludes my mini Sephora haul / first impressions video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it, even though it's like 2 a.m. now. Please stay tuned for my dedicated video on this wonderful foundation. I think I'm gonna really like it, and I'm really excited to do a video on this. I'm gonna take a few selfies and then I'm gonna wash it off and then go to bed. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!